Hi, Greg, DIY RV'n Home, Camper's Life. We are almost there. We are about a week away from leaving our house that we sold and going full time in our Coleman Lantern 202RD. Been doing a lot of work on it. Some stuff I've been able to get video on, some stuff I haven't. And I'm going to do a walkthrough of what we've been doing to it. It's just that there's a little bit of time and a lot of stuff to do, so I just haven't been able to do that. I would love to do it. Hopefully once we get on the road, get a little more time to be able to do some of the projects that I still got planned on doing while we're out and about. So one of the things that we recently did is we added a tonneau cover to the bed. This is the Tiger. We picked that one up off Amazon. That way we can store stuff in the bed of the truck. I've got my toolbox back here that's loaded with tools. It's like a tenth of the tools I actually had. Had to get rid of the rest. Killed me. But yeah, we're gonna have some extra clothing in there. Our Blackstone, miscellaneous stuff in the back of the truck. Another thing we did was I relocated the spare tire up front. Now I do have a bolt going through the center of it. It's a smaller bolt than I want, but that is going to be a project later on where I improve that. So for the time being, I've got the bolt along with a strap on either side to keep the tire there in place. We added on a lock on our tongue for security. We've got a lock on our hitch also for additional security, just to make sure that they don't walk off. They're not perfect, but they ought to do. If you really want it, I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to figure out how to get it. But this will deter a lot of people. Another thing we did right here, as you can see, there is a humongous box on the front of this trailer. I'm sorry, it's a little dirty, but this is the Power Armor Max battery storage box, lock and storage, by Torcliff. Now it is unlocked already because I got to show you what's inside. Here's the lock on this side, and it's a nice system actually. The whole lid will come off, but to close it, you just pull this through and then you'll lock it. Take it off just like that. Now let me set the camera down for a second, and I'll finish taking this lid up. Now the reason we got the locking battery box is because we got 3 Battleborns, 300 amp hours of batteries now on our trailer installed. As you can see, we also added 3 more solar panels to the roof. I already did a video on that. So now we have 500 on the roof, 200 on the ground for a total of 700 amp hours. Or excuse me, 700 watts of solar available, 300 amp hours of batteries installed. Coming to the back of the trailer, you can see we've put on some safety struts for our bumper. We added a receiver, and we put a Kurt cargo carrier on the back. Now we've got some fuel, I've got some supplies, got the old blue boy there, the old turd hauler strapped down. This will be strapped down also. I just got to get back in here, but so that's how we're going to use that. And this is also a provision, so if I do have to take the turd hauler any distance with something in it, I can actually take this off, put it on the back of the truck, and go dump. I've also got a coupler that'll couple onto this, so I can take a 10-foot hose with me when I go, so I'm not having to worry about getting that turd hauler right next to the dump station like I had in the past. Okay, inside, we've already seen this. What have we done inside? Well, let's see. We've got a fan for the bedroom. and it's a Chinese one. It actually got a control here and a remote. Let's see if the remote will work. There it is. Not too bad on noise. I put some rubber bands up here to help deaden the noise. We've got it permanently attached. Don't worry about that hole. I'll hide it. I was busy that day and mistakes happen, but I've got it. The wires just run over. So it's got 4 different speeds, and also you can set it for a time frame. Now, if you know Chinese, then you'll know what those represent. But we've got basically high, medium, low, and then 2, 4, 8, and I think that's just constant on that. We'll tell you more about that later on. We've got some baskets we picked up from Walmart. Oh, got a TV mount back here. We've got a TV that we're going to be mounting in. And as you can see, I've screwed into the corner stud, the stud right at the wall. And then this is a stud also that I screwed into so we can mount that. I've got just tighten that up just a little bit, get that finished, but that'll hold I think we've got a 32-inch that we're putting right there. Don't worry about that. That's probably going to come down. Inside the bathroom, we've got our baskets, hanging baskets, and I've used pop toggles and some wire grommets so that they won't fall. We'll probably end up putting some elastic straps or something to keep these in place while we're traveling. Over here on this side, we've got a basket. It's actually a command hook one. I didn't use the command hook adhesive. I actually used some Gorilla adhesive, double back tape for this. Hopefully that doesn't fall. If it does, we'll figure out what to do with that. Refridge. We've got a washing machine down here. My wife's used it a couple times so far. She says it works pretty good. So we got a portable washer for those times when we out and about. Turn the light off in here. Let's turn the light off here. Sorry about it being a little messy, but it's been busy. Okay, some more hanging baskets here, and I have another one over here. I haven't put the pop toggles in or the brackets. I'll show you what I did in a video over there. These baskets have been there, but they're screwed in to the valance so they don't go anywhere, so we can keep stuff up there. Move the TV from the position where it was down to here to a stud. So that's another little one that we have here. We can use that back here. I can use it as a computer monitor, whatever. Some good friends of ours decided that they were going to take a quote that I made on Facebook and make us a little sign. Homeless, but not trailerless. I just love it. I think it's awesome. So we got it hanging, swinging. It's screwed in place, and then it's also got a nail up there, kind of look like that, but we like it. Over here we've got a bench seat. This is where the jackknife used to be. Bench seat. We took out the jackknife. We added a additional shelving here. Got some baskets, and we actually got some non-skid for these. So hopefully that'll keep that from falling out when we're traveling. These we're probably going to have to move. Ice maker. You can see that got a couple L brackets there. I'm going to throw some non-skid underneath for our bench underneath access, because we got some storage down there. Went ahead and got a piece of plywood, and I'm not sure what got on it, but it wasn't, after I sanded it, everything like that, and I put that down, there was something on it. Oh well, it's hidden, so I'm not worried about it. But so we can lift this up, and I've got a little chain that I can come over here with. I gotta move a basket. Get the basket out of the way so we can come up here and hook it so it's out of the way, and now we have access and storage to our stuff underneath. Also, the water heater. So, that back down. We've also put some holes. You can see right here, some grommets, and so we can run wires. And we've got the electrical underneath. Coffee pot's going to live here. You see the ice maker right here. We modified our cushion so that it fit here. These were actually cushions from the dinette, so we made use of them over here. Let's put that back. You can see the Jackery 1000's got a home right there. I'm trying to think what else we've done in here, or what else I've done. Honestly, I think that's about it. I've done replacement of the trim insert right up here because it went bad, and I'm gonna gotta do the other side, so I'll get a video done of that. What else? Oh, as you see, there ain't much out there now. There's an image of what looked like a few weeks ago. We've sold everything off. Now it's just to take a couple other things to the dumps and pretty much turn the house in, and that'll be next week. So I just wanted to come in and give you an update, show you what was going on, show you some of the stuff I've done to the trailer. Yes, I haven't been able to video it all. I hope you guys understand. Once we hit the road, videos are going to start coming out a lot more frequently. So anyways, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, so you can see the future videos. And until next time, happy camping.